Hey guys, Barry here, and thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I want to highlight a couple of things about Teespring campaigns. Well, you know very well Teespring is one of the hot topic nowadays, right? Everybody's selling teas. Everybody knows how to sell teas. It's quite easy. Just make some designs and using Teespring and run ads. And most of the times, even those designs are getting big hit that me and you won't like. Anyways, guys, there are a few flaws, or there are a few conditions that you should consider before you run into Teespring campaigns, because otherwise you're gonna lose big. Or you can say you definitely win big, but you'll also lose some big on the back end. The first thing is, when we are doing Teespring campaigns, we don't leave any way to follow up our customers. Do you understand my point? Say, for an example, you have a target of, say, 500,000 people. So if you're showing your ad and you're showing your designs to 500,000 people. Maybe you showed 500 people and then you stopped campaign because it was not a winner, it was a loser. Well, these 500 people who clicked your ad and who visited your ads, visited your designs, well, they didn't like and buy, but perhaps they will buy something else. Perhaps they will buy some other design. So in order to get them back, all you have to do is to run ads again and only hope that they will click again and see your ad. But if it was possible to somehow capture them and particularly be able to show them those 500 people who were originally interested in your ad and your niche and your design, but didn't end up buying, and how would it happen? It would be great. You would find more targeted people, more targeted visitors who are more interested to buy, right? They saw t-shirts in your ad and they visited. That means they are somehow interested. Maybe they would buy. So we are always leaving this as a loose end. It shouldn't happen, because we all know that money is in the list. This way or the other, you have to build a list. Anyway, you have to capture them. You have to do some follow-up things, because it is said that before somebody takes a buying decision, he or she has to see the offer at least 7 times. Well, of course, most of the time 7 times is not necessary, but if you can show someone 7 times, he or she will take a buying decision. This is a saying, and this is a belief widely believed by everyone. So in order to show it 7 times, at least 3 times, you have to create some follow-up system, and you have to capture the customers, the interested people, the visitors, right? So now there are basically 3 ways we can follow up our visitors, or we can build list, some kind of list, not exactly email list, but we can build a list, a particular list. There are 3 ways. The first one is very raw, showing ads, showing ads to same people, your original target, over and over and over again, and you spend a lot of money, usual way. The second one is building list somehow in your Teespring campaign somewhere, put a link and put some reason for them to click that link and sign up into your list, so that you can follow them up in future. And even if they end up buying this design or not, they will be buying the other one. Okay, the third one is the most modern, and now it's super hit among the marketers, and that is retargeting. I'm sure you have heard about it. 2 main companies, AdRoll and Perfect Audience. I use Perfect Audience. They work very well on this retargeting thing. The main technology on retargeting is, you open an account, free account, maybe it will be up maybe 1 month or something like that, free, and then you copy a pixel, copy a code, then you place that code on your website. Okay, and then whoever somebody visits your page, a cookie will be saved in their computer. So whenever they open Facebook or any other selected website, sometimes it's even Huffington Post, okay, selected website, they will see your ads. Oh, it will be really amazing. They will see wherever they go, they will see your ads. Hey, come on, this ad, I saw this ad before. Okay, let's click again. They will click one time. Okay, then they will see another. Oh, I saw this before. They will click and they will, they will see, and they will be followed up automatically. This is a wonderful way of following up these days. People are doing that, and it really works. The problem with the Teespring campaigns is, there's a good thing and a bad thing. The problem is you don't have a space in Teespring campaigns to save this code, this retargeting code inside your campaigns. There is no space for that. So what you have to do, either you have to first drive them to your site, and from there to Teespring. That means you already lose some of the customers on this process. So this is what you call a flaw or a disadvantage. But there is a good advantage. There is an advantage as well. The advantage is there are two types of ads, right? One is newsfeed ad and one is a right-hand ad, which is on Facebook. For a newsfeed ad, there is no way, you or Teespring, nobody can retarget. But on the right-hand side ads, even if you stop promoting your campaign, Teespring itself will be retargeting your customers. They will continue retargeting. But the thing is, I don't really know how long they will continue retargeting your customers and how effective it is. No idea. Nobody really reported any solid figure or information about this. But still, there is something. It's not absolutely zero. So this is what's there. Maximum. You get some help from Teespring itself, and that's it. You have to wait for His Highness, Their Highness, to help you with some retargeting, and that's all. Now, all this question came from where? Why I'm telling you all this? Well, I will tell you about one friend of mine. His name is Travis. You know about him, right? You surely know. But still, I'll tell you. He posted on Facebook one day that he wants to build page or he wants to do something else. But whenever he finds a good slogan, he runs behind it and he makes 30 designs. He ends up building 30 T designs on this slogan and run ads. So burn all his money on ads. Why he does that? Because he knows that it works. So what he does is, whenever he finds a slogan, say any slogan, I don't remember anything now, any slogan. So when he finds any nice slogan, he makes 30 different designs. Now the thing is, if you make 30 different designs and you spend $5 for each design, you're doing it yourself, you'll take at least 30 multiplied by 550 minutes. For Travis's, I'm sure it's quite impossible, so he's outsourcing it. Either he has an in-house designer or he's outsourcing by hiring someone on Fiverr or anywhere. Now, if he's doing that, then for 30 design, he must be paying at least $100 to $150 only for designs. Okay, then for each design, to check the effectiveness, to split test, he needs at least another 3 Facebook ad design that is associated with one design, right? Probably it won't be like that for sure. It will be different, but still, he wants to check every design. He made 30 designs, so he wants to check every design. For that, he needs at least 3 split testing ads. So for that, he's spending possibly $15 for 3 ads, maybe. Then how much will it be? Say for 30 designs, each T design will have 3 ad designs. That means for 30 designs, he should have 90 ad designs. Well, this is insane. This is insane. 90 ad design, because every shot has to be split tested, and every split test will be, wow, this is too much. 90? Maybe he doesn't do 90, maybe he finds 50, maybe he does 20. But say, for just for discussion's sake, he makes 90 designs. So 90 multiplied by $5 will be $450 only for ad creation. And already spent, how much I said? 350 by $150 means $550 for $600 only for ads, and that is only for the designs creation. Now for 90 ads, for each ad he wants to test with at least $20. I mean, he wants to spend $20 for each ad just to see it's winner or not. So then, just to check the CTRs, the effectiveness, the efficiency of the ads, then you'll spend approximately $20 per ad for sure. So $20 multiplied by 90 will be $1,800 plus $600 for designs, so total $2,400 for a campaign. This is insane in terms of all these numbers, in terms of the money invested. $1,800. Well, of course, I know, you know, Travis knows very well that all this money will come back as profit, and this money will come 200%, 300% ROI. Means it's all worth it. But still, just imagine the effort. It's insanely impossible to manage if you don't have a complete company, a complete staff to run your ads, run your campaigns. Then only it's possible to run so many campaigns all together. It's not only about money, it's all about management as well. I have to check one by one which ad is doing how much, what are you getting, what is the CTR, about which one is opening, which one is not, which one getting approved or not, rejected, and some ads. Maybe you get your account banned or something. So all this headache, can you imagine that? This is unbelievable. Well, actually the truth is how they're doing it. This way or the other, they're running multiple ads, many ads, and then pick one or two winners and continue rolling it till they reach the peak. Okay, till the niche dies, till the design dies, till that dies. Okay, this is how Teespring design, Teespring campaigns are going on. This is all about, this is the background. Now, till today, there was no solution. The software solutions, the VA solutions, mean you hire someone and he or she will do this jobs on the background for you, and you also work hard, and you make a lot of money, of course, as a result. But this is what was going on so far. But after, today, this thing is going to solve in a better way, in a nicer way. Say, example, I will tell you, if you are driving your customers or your visitors not directly to Facebook, to Teespring campaign, you'll be driving them to your own personal store, online store. Okay? Now, once they're on your store, what will happen is they will see all your ads. Say you have 30 designs in your campaign. You spend $50. It's perfect. If you get return, of course you will do it. Now you made $450 and you put it in your store, your own store. Now once you are driving the visitors on your store, you have full control on building a list, and you have full control on retargeting them. At the same time, you have full control to show them all the designs you have. So that means for each ad, for each design, you don't have to make 3 ads or so. What you will do now, you will make 5 or 10 ads, not 90. You pick the winner, and all the winner ad or whatever the ad you are using, they should take the visitors to your store, and when they go to your store, they will see all the designs together. And then, say for an example, you drove 100 visitors to your website, to your store, and you found that 1, 2, 3, these 3 designs are working well. People are clicking on it and they are watching it more, and maybe they are getting sold more. So what you want is, you want to dump the other designs and you want to run only those 3 designs, right? But when it is on your store, you don't have to select which one you want to run. You can all run together, but only, the winners will win this way. And what if your store automatically shows the winner designs? I mean, the most popular designs. They will record the people's interest, the visitors' interest, the visitors are getting into which design particularly. This one, 1, 2, 3, or maybe 3, 5, and 6. So your website, your store, in future will automatically show only these 3, 5, and 6, these 3 designs. This will be amazing, right? So first, you're getting a solution of retargeting, and you're getting a solution of email list building because it's on your own store. And finally, the split testing thing. I mean, we used to pick the winner design, t-shirt design, and then run this design only, and dump the others, the losers, right? The non-winners. But here, all are together in your store, and your store automatically, like a robot, like an intelligent robot, will record people's interest, and in future only it will show only the winner ones. How would it be? Well, to me, this is solving all the problems together, and it's worth trying it. Now, this theme is called Covered T-shirt Store theme. This is a theme. A WordPress theme. As you know, WordPress is the easiest way to build your websites. Of course, you know. So this is a theme. All you have to do, install the theme, and then put some links, and it will create automatically. We will get to that. We are not going to that technical stuff. We are going to the technology. We're going to the benefits of these themes. This is the first of this kind, and it is going to release today. Okay, that's it. Now, using this type of theme is a wise decision, and definitely whoever will pick this theme, they will pick this theme to use it, and whoever will use it, they will need a couple more help with it. Like, if you don't know about retargeting, what will you do thinking about retargeting, right? How will you retargate? And if you don't know, if you're not building list yet, all this thing about squeeze page, autoresponder, and follow-up series, how to write email subject lines, how to get your list, how to get your emails the whitelisted, not to get blacklisted, all these things, to manage all these things. It's a huge thing. It's a real business. This whole list building thing is a business itself. And also, you may not yet inside Teespring business as well. So, whoever wants to get this theme, somehow he or she is involved in all these things, right? Should know how Teespring campaigns to run, how to run Teespring campaigns, how to build lists, how to do retargeting, and all these things. So, what I'm going to do is I'm offering a bonus of these 3 packages. So whoever is going to decide to purchase this covered t-shirt, what's that called? Covered t-shirt store. Yeah. So covered t-shirt store using my link. I'm going to show you my link in a while. Let's do one thing. Let's share my screen now, and I can easily show you the links. All right. So So this is the bonus for cover t-shirt store. This is my link, http://gift.pe/cts. Okay, so just browse. This is a short and easy link. You can simply browse. You can simply put this link on your browser and it will take you to cover t-shirt store. And how you claim bonus: simply purchase using the above link and send the PayPal receipt over to bonusclaims.mbarry@gmail.com. We will reply with the bonus access links within 48 hours. Simple. Okay. Now, these will be the bonuses: a complete crash course on Teespring. So even if you're not on Teespring yet, you will know what Teespring is. Exactly, absolutely, from A to Z. Bonus 2 will be a complete course on retargeting. You already know by now what the importance of retargeting. Okay. Bonus 3, a complete course on list building, over 200 pages ebook. Over 200 pages ebook. I have seen. I mean, so far, this is the #1 ebook I have ever seen. Okay, it nearly covers everything about list building. Okay, so this is my link, and these are the bonuses. So all you have to do is to use this link to purchase this covered t-shirt store, and then simply send your PayPal receipt to over to bonusclaims.mbarry@gmail.com, and I will reply you with this bonus links, and you will know nearly everything you need to start your Teespring campaign, your t-shirt campaign, and make a lot of money using it. So that's it, guys. See you inside. To your best success. This is Barry. Take care and take action. Bye-bye.